All right, guys, it's that time of the year again. We're pretty much on our last little leg stretch back into home, and we're gonna have to go get some stuff done. We're gonna have to get my tires swapped over to Summers, do some taxes. Yeah, got some paperwork I gotta fill out. I got a few things I need to get done. And oh man, I just realized how dirty my van is from yesterday's adventure. Man, there's just mud caked on everything. Like even the back tire here, there's like chunks of mud here sitting around here. It's time to hit the road. It's time to get out of here. This is a beautiful, beautiful location. And well, before I let you guys go and we hit the road, I want to show you guys something really cool. So I caught this last night before bed and I stayed up late. Like it was probably like 1:30 in the morning. Just sat there. I had the perfect view of the northern lights and it was actually fairly visible to the naked eye. Like I just sat there and just watched it all along the horizon, and it was absolutely beautiful. So without further ado, here's some northern lights. Man, is it ever windy out there. Anyways, how did you guys enjoy that Northern Lights? That was a pretty cool show. It wasn't quite as cool as my first trip into, I believe it was Tumbler Ridge when I first came across the Northern Lights. And when I was up there, it was like all across the sky. Like it was 360 degrees. It was all around us. It was Northern Lights. And that was just absolutely killer. Like, if I could get a view like that again, I would definitely throw both my cameras out and get as much footage as I can because I don't know, it's just so spectacular. It's such an amazing view. Anyways, without further ado, let's hit the road. Let's go adventure to see what this last little I think it's about a 40-minute drive back into the pavement. Then we'll put some air in the tires and then one straight shot back home and then we're going to get some stuff done. But anyways, thought I'd take you guys along with me and we'll see where the road takes us and see what kind of adventure we can get into. I think it'll be fine. It's nothing too crazy. This road's actually pretty good. There's a few little potholes here and there, but nothing this van can't handle. All right, we'll see you guys down the road. Now this looks like an interesting place to go and have a camp at. I'm gonna have to mark this on the map. I don't think I marked this on. I don't do this. Is on Iowa Land. But you got a little creek you can, have a shower beside. Place to have a little campfire. It's not too windy. Yeah, it's just a nice little place to relax for the night. But I've only been driving for a couple kilometers, so if I wouldn't have found a spot up there, I would have been able to come down here. And it looks like there's tons of firewood around here. You could just bring a chainsaw, have as big fire as you want, relax, and enjoy life. Right on, right on. And, of course, you can't have a campsite with some cow patties without having a little outdoor toilet. Amazing. Very cool. All right. It's time to head off, find the next place to look at. But this is definitely a really cool spot. This must be the location. There was a mudslide that blocked the road. Looks like they cleaned it all up. Probably not a huge rock slide, but enough to block the road. So you can see there's fresh tire tracks from a loader or whatever loading stuff up. Cool. Glad it's cleaned up because I was able to come in here and do a little bit of adventuring. All right, let's hit the road. See what else we can find. Alright, it's time to put some air in the tires because back on pavement. Alright, let's get some air in these tires.
Welcome home.
Well, that was a bit of a drive, but nothing too crazy. So for those of you guys that are new to the channel, this is my mom and dad's place. So I come here when I need to work on my van, or I need to grab my trailer and my boat, which is parked in the back, or this is where we hang out when I have custody of my kids. So there's a couple extra bedrooms here. Yeah, I could live here full time, but van life's so much funner. But anyways, guys, I think other than, you guys want to watch me do my laundry, I think I'm just going to end the video here. You can just hang out here, do some laundry, grab a few things, empty a few things. There's probably a few things up there I can get rid of. I don't need my skis anymore. I was wanting to go skiing, but I just didn't end up having enough time. I mean, I had a jam-packed tour, around the bottom of Vancouver Island. So it's been a busy winter. So it has been amazing. But anyways, I'm going to end here, grab a couple things, grab all my stuff, swap my summer tires probably on the next video. Maybe I'll bring you guys along for tire swaps. But other than that, I think that's it. I'm going to enjoy the last little bit, go give my granny a big hug, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Peace out.